Control D just to undo that selection, and that's looking pretty good. And let's just reduce the opacity of it slightly. It's a little bit harsh. Bring it up to about 50% should do it, and that's looking pretty good. Okay, so we're just about done. Now what we want to do is do our classic Vaseline effect over the top of the whole image, and we do this by using Control Shift Alt E, and what that does is creates a layer based on all of the visible layers. And so there's that image there, and what we're going to do is turn it to a screen, which you'll see will blow things out quite a bit. But then we're just going to use a filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and then we're just going to reduce that down probably about 20 or 30 is all we need. We'll make it 28. Click OK to that, and we're just going to reduce the opacity slightly. There we go. You'll see that also that's gotten rid of quite a lot of the blemishes on the character, and we can just bring our shadow up a little bit, our undershadow, and just drop our highlights down a little bit now that they've blown out a little bit. Our overshadow should be fine on about 73, and we might just do a little bit of a white vignette. So let's create a new layer, and just with the white swatch we're going to use the paint bucket tool and click, and that'll go over the top of the whole image. We're just going to reduce the opacity for now. We'll bring up our circular marquee tool. We're just going to concentrate on that center part of the face, and we're just going to cut that out and get rid of the selection, go up to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and really crank that probably about 75, and we're just going to reduce